The American dream didn't fail because people stopped believing. It failed because it was built for extraction, not stability. So the real question isn't how we fix it. The real question is what replaces it. Because when a system collapses, belief doesn't save you. Structure does. The American dream was built on one idea: individual ascent. Work harder, climb higher, get out. That only works in a system that's expanding. But expansion is over. There's no new land, no new labor pool, no new markets to absorb the pressure. So now people are trying to repair something that was never designed to last. You don't fix extraction systems, you replace them. Trying to revive the old dream doesn't restore stability. It just stretches the collapse over more years. The human dream isn't about climbing out. It's about holding things together. It's not a fantasy. It's not nostalgia. It's not optimism. It's a different operating system. The human dream looks like this: identity without erasure. Work with dignity instead of desperation. Land treated as stewardship, not speculation. Wealth that circulates instead of concentrates. Power that is boring, slow, and durable. The American dream asked, "How do I win?" The human dream asks, "How do we remain stable?" One creates heroes, the other creates continuity. When you move from a dying dream to a human one, everything changes. There's less spectacle and more structure, fewer movements and more institutions, fewer slogans and more rules, fewer saviors and more builders. This is where people get uncomfortable, because stability doesn't look exciting. If something can't survive boredom, it won't survive pressure. The systems that last are quiet, procedural, and patient. They don't trend, they endure. This is the part most people don't like. Not everyone belongs in the building phase. Builders think in decades. Spectators think in moments. Builders care about governance, responsibility, and follow-through. Spectators care about visibility. The human dream isn't inspirational, it's demanding. Collapse creates noise. Replacement requires discipline. The American dream was about escape. The human dream is about repair. And the first thing that replaces a broken dream isn't a system. It's a tribe that knows what it's building. That's where this goes next.